It's going to be a very quick overview. I did a 3-minute and 21-second video just a minute ago, and I'm going to do a very short one. Under the Wing 74, the martyrdom by the Third Reich and the Church of Greek-Jewish child Rita Levi of Corfu, murdered at the Auschwitz Nazis' death camp in Nazi-occupied Poland in 1944. Drawing in ink, watercolor, gouache-colored pencil, and different, mainly found things on the frame. Boy, bought this little chest in this little like house-like building at a charity thrift store. Alright, there you have it. Blessed memory, Rita Levi, a child murdered because of her religious faith, the faith of her parents and grandparents and so on. An allegorical genocidal semances plus 2 parakeets. But 4 parakeets there now. Alright, there you have it.